Scott, Peter and Skyler. This is over in shipping with an improvement to the vacuuming drawer. So oftentimes the underneath cable gets neglected, and it's the process that's a problem. Nobody wants to get down, hands and knees, and go under there. So we've improved it. Added this rod right here, as attached with a magnet up here, using fast wrap down here, and it opens up. And now you don't have to get on your hands and knees. You can easily get underneath the table, you can back and forth. No stress and strain, no bending over.